Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make burger masala. To begin, understand that this homemade spice blend elevates your burgers with unique, aromatic flavors. Crafting it yourself ensures freshness and allows you to tailor the spice levels to your preference. We'll cover the essential spices and fresh components needed to create a truly delicious and impactful masala for your next burger. For your burger masala, you'll need a selection of both whole and ground spices. Think about whole cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and black peppercorns for a robust base. Then, incorporate ground turmeric, chili powder, and a touch of garam masala for warmth. Don't forget fresh elements like ginger, garlic, and green chilies. These provide a bright, aromatic kick that truly defines the masala. Now, let's craft the blend. Start by lightly toasting your whole spices in a dry pan over medium heat for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Let them cool, then grind them into a fine powder. Next, finely mince your fresh ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Finally, mix the ground spices with these fresh aromatics to create your vibrant, homemade burger masala. Once your burger masala is ready, it's time to use it. For every pound of ground meat, incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of your freshly made masala. Mix it thoroughly to ensure the flavors are evenly distributed before forming your burger patties. This masala also works wonderfully with chicken or lamb. Store any extra in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.